Is your iPhone stuck on a white screen and not responding at all? Don't stress. Here are 4 real and easy ways to fix it. First, try a force restart. Quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This usually works if it's just a minor glitch. Second, connect your iPhone to a computer and use Finder or iTunes. Put your iPhone in recovery mode by doing the same button combo: volume up, volume down, then hold the side button. But this time, keep holding it even after you see the Apple logo. On your computer, choose Update when prompted. This reinstalls the iOS without erasing your data. Third, if update doesn't work, you may need to select Restore instead. Keep in mind that this will erase your data, so only do this if you have a backup or nothing else is working. Fourth, if you've recently replaced your screen or battery from a third party, that could cause hardware conflicts. In that case, it's best to take it to Apple support or an authorized repair center. And if this helped fix your white screen issue, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.